Hi, I'm Livin Like Outlaws, youth race car driver Jayce Graham, and today I am here at Yakima practicing. I outgrew my old cars, so we got some new ones. We got Pinky, Chainsaw, and Heart Attack. My heavy Honda is Pinky. It's purple, but I originally called it pink, so we called it Pinky. No, I'm not colorblind. And my 160 Chainsaw, we had a panel that was super flappy and it just sounded like a chainsaw, so we called it Chainsaw. And our last one, my dad had a super hard time pushing it. My animal, we called it Chainsaw heart attack, because my dad had a heart attack trying to push it. Not literally, but says he did. So we're just out here practicing in Yakima, getting ready for the season, and goodbye.